teaching a system with just a few files or videos so it takes your idea and actually grows it. That's a huge deal, and it's super useful for pretty much any project. Hey, Nova here at Madam AI Studio. Today, Mila's gonna walk you through the tutorial.
Hi, I'm Mila, and today I want to introduce you to a tool where the system remembers everything about your taste and workflow, handles the heavy lifting for you, and grows whatever ideas you've started. This is the main page of imagineart. Basically, it's where all the newest updates drop, and you've got all the coolest features and tools right at your fingertips. So that was Imagine Creative, but this platform has two other awesome sections. One of them is Imagine Business. If you've got an idea for your business, you can use this part to turn it into a complete workflow and watch it grow effortlessly. But the part we actually want to work with is the Imagine computer. Basically, an AI computer that handles the heavy lifting and just hands you the finished thing. You literally just describe what you want in plain words, and it plans the job, runs its tools quietly, and gives you a real file to download. Right here on the Imagine computer main page, you can actually choose the specific model you want to work with, and then you just chat with that model to get things rolling. Alternatively, chatting is optional. You can simply select your desired tool directly and proceed with your workflow. You can also use the connector section to link whatever tools you want right into this computer. Additionally, a variety of preset commands are provided here for quick and convenient access. This tool is not confined to a single specific function. Rather, it operates much like a full computer system. You can pitch ideas, build websites, generate tokens and various diagrams, or produce custom educational animations. Additionally, it assists in creating spreadsheets and presentations and supports detailed, precise research. In short, it is a complete ecosystem. To begin, I select my desired model and provide a sample video for analysis. The objective is to have the system evaluate the cinematography, camera motion, and pace, and subsequently design a new video replicating that style. The analysis is complete, and the system has generated several follow-up questions to refine the workflow. You have the option to answer these prompts to align the output with your concept, or you can skip them entirely and simply write out your creative vision in straightforward language. I provided a custom description and answered several of the prompts. While the generated suggestion successfully captured the desired camera motion and pacing, it does not align with my creative direction. Therefore, I am explicitly specifying my requirements to guide the system toward the correct output. Now that the system understands the objective, I am inputting my adjustments. Once the generated images meet my standards, we proceed directly to video production. In your prompts, you can explicitly specify the artistic style, the environment, the aesthetic, and the model you want it to use when generating your images and videos. For instance, I specified the video skill by instructing it to use Seedance 2, while defining the duration, frame rate, and other parameters. I then generated a short test scene to verify that the system was executing the task correctly. In just a few seconds, the build quality was solid, so I proceeded with the trained style to create the remaining videos. Furthermore, the platform allows you to edit any video you generate directly within the system. The available interface controls and access options are located both within this section and at the top of the page. From this area, you can upload your desired files, such as custom skills, allowing the system to easily reference and utilize them during execution. Just to prove you can throw any style of video at this thing for training, I fed it a second reference, a super zoom clip, and told it to fold that exact motion right into the project. The final output successfully blends the initial style parameters, including the requested camera speed, motion, and blur, with the super zoom sequence. The result is a cohesive and effective composition. Are you ready to view the complete video together before we continue? Now that the presentation is complete, I'd like to ask, what will you be building with this tool? Please share your projects in the comments below. That concludes today's video. Please feel free to leave any questions in the comments below. To support the growth of the channel, we kindly ask that you share this content with your peers. Love you all. Bye for now.